The TSV Bullish Bearish Oscillator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about the indicator's functionality and how it works. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging it onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, a histogram window will appear at the bottom of the chart. Traders can use the TSV Bullish Bearish Indicator to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. When the histogram prominently displays distinct blue bars, it generally indicates a strong bullish trend, and conversely, when the histogram clearly displays vibrant red bars, it typically indicates a significant bearish trend. When blue bars are displayed, we can enter a buy trade in the market and stay in the trade until red bars appear, at which point we can exit the trade. And when the prominent blue bars on the chart turn a distinct red color, we can confidently enter a sell trade, and subsequently, when the clear blue bars are once again prominently displayed, we can then proceed to exit the active sell trade. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the calculation period, which is set to 1 by default. The higher we set this value, the fewer trend changes we'll see in the market, and it will show us longer-term trends. Conversely, the lower we set this value, the more frequent the trend changes will be, and it will indicate shorter-term trends for us. In the second input, we can also specify the number of candles to be used for calculating and displaying the trend, which by default is set to 3,000 candles. Here, we can meticulously analyze and thoroughly examine an extensive array of up to 3,000 individual candles, allowing us to precisely discern and accurately interpret the prevailing market trend. In the Settings section, we can increase or decrease this value. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.